Now in this video I'll be covering uniform circular motion. So what is the meaning of uniform circular motion? When a particle moves with a constant speed, it's written when a particle moves with a constant speed in a circular path, its motion is said to be uniform circular motion. When a particle moves with a constant speed in a circular path, its motion is said to be uniform circular motion. What is the meaning of this? Now let's say the earth is moving around the sun. The earth is moving around the sun. Actually it moves in an elliptical path. Let's say for simplicity, let's assume that the path is circular. So earth is moving in a circular path around the sun, let's say for example. Then earth is moving with a constant speed. We know that it is moving with a constant speed around the sun. Its speed is not changing. But can we say that the velocity is also constant? We cannot say that the velocity is constant, because although the speed is constant, the speed is not changing, but the direction of the particle is changing at every instant. The direction of the earth in this case is changing at every instant, because the direction of motion is given by the direction of the tangent at a particular point. The direction of the tangent at a particular point is the direction of the velocity and the acceleration. Is the direction of the velocity of the particle which is in motion, which is in circular motion. So here the direction of velocity of the earth is given along the tangent. So the earth is accelerating, the earth is moving in this direction. The velocity of the earth is in this direction along the tangent. So we can see that at every point there is a unique direction. At every point the tangent is unique. So obviously at every point the direction of velocity of the object in circular motion is unique, that is different. So the direction is changing continuously. If the direction changes continuously, then even though the value of the speed is constant, we will say that the velocity is variable, because for velocity to be constant or uniform, both direction as well as magnitude should be constant. So that is why here it is uniform circular motion. Now uniform circular motion is what is given here. In such a motion, the particle travels equal distance along the circular path in equal intervals of time. So the speed of the particle is uniform, but the direction of motion of the particle changes at each point of circular path. The continuous change in the direction of motion implies that the velocity of the particle is non-uniform or variable, and if the velocity is variable or non-uniform, then obviously the acceleration is there. So the motion is also accelerated. So even though it is a motion with constant speed, we say that there is an acceleration. Now the acceleration is not in terms of the change of speed, but it is in terms of the change of the direction of the particle. Direction of velocity at any instant in circular path. Figure 1.43 shows a particle moving in a circular path in a horizontal plane with uniform speed v in the anticlockwise direction. The particle travels each quarter of a circle AB, BC, CD and DA in the same interval of time, that is the total time divided by 4, because a quarter means 1/4, where capital T is the time taken by the particle in one round of the circular path. Thus the speed of the particle is constant or uniform, but the direction of motion of the particle is different at different points of the circular path. At any point, the direction of motion is along the tangent drawn at that point of the circular path. This I have already shown. At the point A, the direction of motion of the particle is towards north. After completing quarter of a circle at point B, the direction of motion is towards west. After completing half circle at C, it is towards south. And after completing 3/4 of the circle, that means the 3/4 part of the circle, when the particle is at point D, the direction of motion is towards east. Thus, the velocity of particle in circular motion is variable, or the circular motion is accelerated, even though the speed of the particle is uniform. This is a very unique characteristic of uniform circular motion. What is the difference between uniform circular motion and uniform linear motion? In uniform linear motion, speed and velocity are both constant, because in that case the direction of the particle is also constant. So here it's written in uniform linear motion, the speed and velocity are constant and acceleration is 0. That is, the uniform linear motion is an unaccelerated motion, while in a uniform circular motion, the velocity is variable, although the speed is uniform, so it is an accelerated motion. After that, we will come to centripetal and centrifugal force.